Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to back up your iPhone from iCloud. So for this, your device needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi, and after connecting it to a Wi-Fi, you can go to settings first, and in settings you need to click on your name. And when you click on your name, you can have access to your password and security, iCloud, media and purchases, and your entire accounts can be seen in this place. So here now you need to tap on the iCloud, which shows 5 GB. I have not backed up my account lately, so here below the photos you can see an option for iCloud backup. So click on this option, and when you turn this up, your automatically your apps and datas will be backed up to your iCloud when this iPhone is connected to power, locked, and is on Wi-Fi. And in this way you can back up your iPhone from iCloud. And I hope you liked the video and it was informational. Thank you.